A video by Ron. This is the Perky, which is seed sampler. This is having 5 openings. We have got the different opening. This particular piece is about 5 feet. We have got the 6 feet also and 4 feet also. About 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches, all are there. This is very special. It has a double chamber. Here we have the matching points. When we move it out of the chain, this will be showing you the opening. When we have to put in the truck, in the big container or in the trolley or anywhere with the seeds are there, you have to take a sample, push it with this bottom down and keep pushing like this, but it should be closed like that. And when it has gone the bottom, then open this will be opened, and then move a little on the 2-3 sides so that it is almost filled. Then close it again by moving it. You can see that it is closed. Then take it out and take the sample, and then you can put the sample in the container, sample trays, and then weigh the samples and see the quality which is at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom. So this is very easy. This is called 5 feet. In Indian language it is called Perky, or you can see the seed sampler. And this is made of the sometimes small. This one is a particularly made of brass, or we have got the stainless steel also. So these are different models available with us. Please visit the website, subscribe the channel if you like it. This is www.abronexports.com, abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 9416020018. And visit the website. We have got all the seed testing instruments like seed moisture meter, seed divider, seed boiler, and other, for all magnifier. So many things are available. Almost all instruments of the lab testing are available. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like it, share it, and put the likes and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.